Hey guys, I'm gonna try to do this real quick. Um, Here's the Ddns. I have an app, a Pi, Raspberry Pi, that updates your IP address. It will put your IP address here, and based on your reports, it will give you colors, and it will also make a comment and tell you what's online, what device is under it, and so on. Based on that, this is the router information, of course. Based on that, there's another script that will give you a check or a bottom, a down, thumbs up, or a question mark, or I don't know. It doesn't show here, but on the app it does. Um, okay, perfect. And then there's another script that will check the date. It'll check actually the check if there's a check on HTTP up only in this column. It will take the time from here from the Raspberry Pi when it updates, and it will show if it's updated. Oh gosh. Oh, okay. Well, I know why that happened. Okay. Anyway, then you can attach a name to the user that the job site or the DNS owns, whoever owns it. If it's a company and you want to show it to multiple people, you can have the company must be over here. So company 6, let's say, then company 6 will be able to see it unless you do this, private DNS, then only the user will be able to see it. Otherwise, everyone in your company will be able to see the DNSs. You can put in the Hikvision, Hikvision, the model of the NVR, the DVR, the NVR username, password that you can store for the user information for the customer. Visit user, doesn't matter. Delete. Okay. I don't know. You can use this for whatever you want. Actually, I'll do that for now. Router type. Username, password for the router. If you want to upload for the IVMS for the customer, a QR URL code. If it's a new existing job, installed by your company, managed by your company, hosted by your company. Some notes if you want. If this is manual, let's just make a non-manual for now and delete this. I'm going to show you something. There's another script. If you use the IP address, the DNS as whatever at address.com, let's say 44 something something street .ddns.net, and I'm actually going to put this as a capital ST. I want to see something if that's going to do it. If not, but whatever. And excuse me, where are you? Why aren't you coming up? That's odd. Okay. Okay. I deleted a tab, a column, so that's the reason why I didn't show. So let's put in 44 whatever street ddns.net. Doesn't matter the ports. Okay, great. And like I showed you, great, so it's here. Unless you type manual, and then you can change it to whatever you want. Let's say you put a space. The way the map works, it goes through this column for the reason is because I like to put in coordinates because I have the free version of the map. It's crazy expensive otherwise. Building, image, and the door type and the door code for your building if you want to come in and get in and whatever it is. So we covered everything? I think so, hopefully. Okay, great. Users. let's say I'm an admin. I want to give the admin a little bit more access. So, okay, phone number, phone carrier for notifications, email, sign in user and contact email, okay, address of the where your customer lives for billing or whatever the reason is, images, the profile image, company name. Okay, this is important. This needs to match over here, right? If company name is 6 and user 2 company 6 or user 3 company 6 matches the company, then you can see it. Device username, device password, timestamp. Okay, so this is the device username password for the user to, if they want to put it in, so you can put it on their DDNS. You know, when you set up their devices for the DDNS, they can for grouping or whatever it is, they can request the username and password for that. Increase when it's nothing, fingerprint. Okay, admin level. So if you're admin, then you can view everything pretty much. Well, including this, you also have to have the checks, but okay, great. So leave it blank if it's a regular user, see extension if they want to see a Voip, a voice over IP, which is going to be over here. That information. Approved, if these approved in the app, allowed to add NVR info, which by the way, yep. Allow edit NVR info, allow Voip tab. These are tabs, so this will show if it's checked, the tabs. If not, it won't show. Depends on what tab you want to allow them to see. View NVR password, the router user, router password, edit ports, allow them to edit ports, view QR image, you know, to be safe. Allow green to be edited. If it's green, if it's checked, then anything in green is allowed to be edited. If not, it's on view mode. Voip is pretty much the same over here in permission. Show an app, show SIP password, show network password, show account info, and user type. I don't think I finished this, but okay. DDNS is IP device type, ports, device port, router port, device online. This is manual. If you put in a script or API, you can figure it out, but for now, you can type true, whatever. Device username, device password. This is not set up. The device, it's device online, router online. Device password, router password. If you want to have it on record. Did price, price. So phone number price, the price if you want to charge, if you want them to see how much you're charging them. This is the name of extension, doesn't matter. The extension that you want to keep is show them, give them what each user has. The DID number, some user, SIP a user, SIP password, SIP server, let's say whatever it is, who knows, device address, where the address is stored, where the device is stored, where the whatever the soft phone, hard phone, whatever. Total accounts, account lines. This is only the top, okay? If it's a user, it's above. Attach to clients. Okay, user 8. So user 2 will only see the user 2 stuff. We'll go to user 2 soon. Okay, and it will show you. Links is for the admin if you want to have useful port checking, whatever it is. Menu is, these are all the options in the menu. Whatever, you can change that. You can add it to the list. Links, quotes, we'll show you what quotes is. Auto provisioning, if you want to have some auto provisioning carrier list. Okay, that's for the notification, app login, and contact us is just something for yourself. For contact. Okay, so I am an admin. Okay, do you want to let's review it as admin. Preview anyway. Oh yeah. So the person comes in, logs in, puts information. Right now it's open. It's not even required. but you know, you are required to put in the company name and your name, and the rest doesn't matter. You probably for testing you also want to put in like a fake email, fake number, address. It doesn't matter. This also doesn't matter. Please don't don't put in real information. Go ahead and upload a photo. Skip that. You don't need it. Okay. Override to home. Okay. This is an admin. Since I'm approved that page, before the approval, you won't see that. You will see that what we just went through. As an admin, I see this. I can see what's online, offline with the check. I can be a little bit more graphical over here. The red and the blue, the orange, forget it. Doesn't matter. It's not going to show. I mean, there's something a problem, but forget the orange. The router, up and down, what's up and down. I'm talking so fast, I'm trying to cover everything, and like so much to cover. Images of the company, the map, just click on it. If you're using it on a phone, you can just go to the address of the job site. Attach it to whatever client you need to attach it to. Put in information, the NVR. If you need to manually, remember the manual, this is the manual. If you need to overwrite manually, username, password, router, type, if you need to add ports, stuff like this, or you can do it here. Just continue here for now. Okay, if you want to send an email to your customer, simple. You can just type it, email, or send a WhatsApp or text message. Well, company directory means what's in your company, and this is for everything admin override. Great. I'm not explaining it. Your customer database, NVR. The customer can add. I'm logged in as admin. I don't have anything under me. If I go to user 2, I'll show you soon. The Voip information, remember user 2 and the C extensions. This is it. User 2, this is all my information that I'm showing based on the selection. I made this video 5 times, so after that I fix a few things, so forgive me for the fast talk. Quotes, create a new quote, type in automatically. It's usually, as an admin, I can change stuff, but job description, the date, job address. Usually you'll have a list as a client. If you put in the address, your address, you will have it here. If not, you can do manual. Job note, type some kind of note. If you need to upload a file, pictures, a quote, whatever I don't know what you are going to do, but then you can view it, and as an admin you should be able to approve it, which, by the way, I'm not actually seeing that. For some reason I can't prove it. I have it in my app. I don't know why that disappeared. Probably because I deleted a few things. Okay, it's good to know. Okay, moving on. Yeah, you can view them like this in different views, calendar view or whatever it is as an admin. Well, I think anyway, you can create a user can just upload information for the auto provisioning for the Voip, and yeah, and they can view again. Why is this happening? Pause this. This should be a map, and I think I know why this is not a map, because of this. I made this as this column. Where's the address column? So the coordination boom, should work. Okay, so you'll see all the job sites as an admin. as a user. Oh, before we go there, contact us, like we discussed, links for your company or whatever it is. Admin panel over here, you could directly control what users can see. That's actually a good idea. I'm going to let this for the user. And you can add a database. Items to the database. User view. Oh, I only owe 3 job sites. It looks like 3 of mine apparently over there. User 2. So apparently I own only 1. I can see just this. The username and password, what router it is. I only have HTTP on 1 port. I can't edit it. Oh, I could edit. I can technically go here and change it a little bit. This is a user. Users will be much friendlier. I can put in an address, update the address. I can change if it's existing. Router type, router password. Yep. Door type. Lockbox or whatever. I can write whatever I want. Door, if there's multiple doors to get in a building. Yeah, get the point. And then you'll see everything here. User cannot edit ports, just for the reason some users, or they could. No, they could. Look at that. Okay. Great. And of course, they can only send to themselves, or actually company directory. They can send any information to company directory, and email them or text them as long as they have a phone number. See over here, company directory, they have more options, yeah. And they can send to text or WhatsApp Messenger. Okay, Voip, they have more limited options, they only see that. This, okay. I, as a user, created only me, I can see the quotes. As a user too, I can see my quotes. What else is required here? Okay, I created something. See, I see here more from where it came from, and user 2. Where's user 2? Great, provisioning and web. Great, that'll be it for now.